It was eventually quite an easy decision when we looked at all the factors that we were considering to buy and invest in Waterkloof Marina, simply because of the quality of the management, the quality of the care, the long-term financial potential return on your investment.
Maar dadelik tuisgevoel in die nuwe omgewing. Ja, nee, die aktiwiteite is vir ons wonderlik. Die feit dat sy net haarself kan besig hou en kan inskakel en nuwe mense leer ken. Ek dink dis die groot ding.
This is a lifetime home. I don't think there's anyone, even at young people, if they can be accommodated here, I think they'll come rushing. Elders won't get space to stay in. Yeah, we envy this kind of life. Everyone envies this kind of life. Yeah. This was the best place to be. I'm looking forward actually to age gracefully here.
We've got wonderful friends here, and I just want to honor these people. I think we made the correct decision. We love staying here, and it's, you know, at night when you go to sleep, you don't hear anything. I think this is a fantastic place, but I made one mistake. I should have been here 10 years earlier.
Take care of your elders, give them the best you can afford.